This is the Toyota Raize Turbo. This is top of the line. I thought that it looked really cute. And then when I learned more about how compact it looks like an SUV. It's actually quite smaller than that. So it's in between. It's so nice. It looks so modern and so sleek, something that you can really drive in the city. And look at the front part of the car and the modern shape of this LED headlights. Look at that. And this one also has a daytime running light. Yung mga subcompact SUVs, usually 1.5 liters yan. So it means kung 1.0 liters lang siya, it's very fuel efficient. And if it's fuel efficient, syempre, meron kang more budget, di ba? We average around 10 to 12 kilometers per liter dun sa distance that we would always go to. And then we also experience na kapag naga-out of town, mga 18 kilometers per liter. And then if it's bumper-to-bumper traffic, like in EDSA, very, very severe yung traffic, that's around 8 to 9 kilometers per liter. Okay, so nadala na rin namin to sa Baguio. This also has 17-inch alloy wheels. Looks really nice. And when you say it's alloy, it's actually lightweight. This one also has the disc brakes for the front wheels. The Toyota Raize also has 200 millimeters ground clearance. So I have 7.5 inches sa paa ko. So ganyan siya. Ganyan yung measurement. And sa 3 years of our experience, never naman kami talagang sumayad or medyo nagkaroon ng damage yung ilalim ng car because of baha or mga lubak or whatever. Pero meron lang akong small sayad here. Pero kasalanan ko na yun.
So this is the rear part of the car at syempre titingnan natin kung gaano pa talaga kalaki yung ating kotse. That's why we have a segment called YAStacks. Okay, so lalagay natin lahat ng mga gamit na nalalagay natin sa loob ng car usually, especially for working moms, isn't it that you have your office bag, you have your luggage then for all of the clothes, and kung pupunta ka sa out of town, ganyan, and also the baby bag at yung stroller.
Sobrang ganda talaga ng stroller namin! Oh, diba? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hiningal ako ng slide. And there you go. So originally, this is 5-seater. But now that we have a kid, syempre kailangan mo ng car seat. And this one naman is ISOFIX ready. So you can easily install your car seat. So I'll install ours here. Now that we have the car seat, it's for 4-seaters na lang. So if you have a new family, I think it's fine. Pero siguro pag lumalaki na yung family ninyo, medyo nagiging challenge na yung space. Rinig nyo na meron siyang beeping sound. And you can really see what's happening at the back. So it's easier for you to back up. It's actually very nimble. Madali lang rin siyang tansyahin pag sa mga susuot ka sa mga medyo narrow na roads kasi nga hindi siya ganun kalaki and medyo mataas siya. But I tried comparing it with an EV and also hybrid. Definitely when it's a hybrid or an EV, it feels more lightweight. Definitely this one is much lighter compared to the others. This one has a little bit of power that you have to parang put in. Torque power, definitely something that is suitable for your city driving. So this one also has 6 SRS airbags, very important as well. Merong sasalo sa'yo. May sasalo sa'yo. You really hear that blind spot monitoring. Nag-a-alarm siya. Yung nagkakaroon siya ng orange blinks dun sa may side mirror. Tapos meron na rin siyang, pwede siya for Android and also Apple. Yung kanyang controls for the volume, it's already here sa manibela. Meron siyang vehicle stability control. Yung pag-maneuver mo, mas steady siya. So it assures safety for you and your family. There you have it. This is the Toyota Raize Turbo. And you can share your comments below so that we would know what your thoughts are about this car. You can also share your thoughts on which car you would want us to review next time. And for all the new families and all the dads out there, this is definitely mom approved. This has been Yas. I'm a mom, and yes, I drive.